So let me get this right. You did a CalVet VA loan for a veteran that came to you that the FICO score in the file was what?
590 mid FICO on the wife.
Okay, now 590 in and of itself is not a reason to say no because we do those all the time, right? But there was
Correct.
something else going on with the file. What was the reason you couldn't get a traditional VA loan done for this guy?
They had a previous bankruptcy, which was approximately 4 years old. However, there was some lates in the last 12 months on traditional credit card debt.
Oh my Lord, that's tough. That's tough.
Yes.
So they had a bankruptcy. Evidently, God bless their heart, they didn't learn their lesson. Something happened. Now they had more lates that were recent. So what happened? You underwriters just kind of shot you down.
We sent it actually to two lenders and we kind of try to shine it up as much as we could, right? And we sent it in with letters of explanation, and both of them said it's a hard stop. You got to wait till there's no lates in the last 12 months on any debt.
But you, being the tenacious rascal that you are, you didn't stop. What'd you do?
I picked up the phone and I called CalVet and I talked to our representative over there and I sent her the file and she reviewed everything and she said, if you have A, B, C, D, we could make this work. So I went and hunted down A, B, C, D to make
Okay.
it work.
Wow. Now,
Yeah.
590, in the traditional lending world, 590, you're not going to get a lot of lender credit towards your closing costs. So the chances are, because I know you told me before, this particular file, you didn't have any seller credit for closing costs.
No, we had
How
no,
the heck
no.
how'd you get did the veteran come out of pocket like 10 grand, or how'd you get all your closing costs covered?
What we did is we took advantage of the CalVet second mortgage program. So basically it's a first mortgage, as you know, they get 100%. The second mortgage is up to 3% of the sales price for their closing cost. It comes with the same interest rate as the first. And here's the kicker: no payment for 10 years. Payments are
This is
deferred the
crazy.
first 10 years. It's an amazing program. And what happens is
Wow.
they could pay that off at any time with no prepayment penalty, too.
So let me get
As you
this
and
right.
I
You had a
both know,
veteran.
Charles, in our business, when you get those kind of scenarios, that second mortgage is going to be 3, 4, 5 points higher than the first loan, right? The first
Right.
mortgage. This
Right.
is exactly the same interest rate and deferred payments for the first 10 years.
And you know what? In those, hardly ever do people keep a home for 10 years. I mean, he might rent it out, but the chances are in those 10 years, the value's going to go up. Rates might drop. He might do a VA Earl, drop his payment, maybe pull some cash out, pay that thing off. But the amazing thing is you found a way to get him into the home. That's the biggest deal, right? Without him coming out of, did he come out of pocket any money at all?
He said he actually got a rebate back of about $1,800.
That's his earnest deposit.